Hello everyone, welcome to MKTel, and today I'm here with an interesting video about an American car manufacturer and electric car leading manufacturer, the Tesla. So Tesla cars been providing a lot of good electric ranges. This is the factory of Tesla, has tons and tons of features in the Tesla cars. It's now the high tech and the most expensive luxury on an electric. Now Rolls-Royce into the track, but Tesla still keeps their trademark in American car manufacture to be an electric, because a lot of battery backup has been given to Tesla to provide a high situation of highway riding and other things. The car has been manufactured so neat, so nicely. Here you can just see that it has been even ordered so nicely. Each and every steps of this Tesla has been made really, really, really super. So that's Tesla. My favorite electric car is Tesla, but the only drawback is that the charging pad, I don't like the charging pads here on Tesla, because it takes a lot of time to charge, but till it charges in half an hour. So first the body frame has been taken and the glass has been fixed to the Tesla car. Glue is applied and the glass is fixed there. This is the Model 3 of manufacturing. The Model 3, the Model X and the Model S has been a bigger one to be a manufacturer. The bonnet has been fixed over there, and then one by one the car just comes, and then all the workers fix the bonnets and then open it up. This is the final body. This is before the painting. This is the state before the painting state. So once the painting is applied, like this, the before painting this coat is applied, and after that the electronic robots apply the paint. As usual in every car manufacturer now, they are doing it directly, but this is a speed way of manufacturing a car, because this is so speed, because Tesla has been used by each and every one of America. So America needs Tesla so that the car is manufactured even more faster, because all the car need production even more faster than whatever doing by labor work, because Rolls-Royce by hand just giving it. So yeah, the car is ready and ready to move. So this is the final view of this car. It works even in ice, because I love Tesla, because it works in heavy weather conditions. So if you like this video, please subscribe to MKTel for more videos. You want to encourage me and support my channel to grow and to grow you with unknown facts.